is about 18, no? I'm here with GC, no? Recommended na siya ni Amali, no? So, top athlete siya, ultramarathoner ni siya, no? So, siya po'y medyo yahag po ng ultramarathon, no? So, again, so, ikatulo ni siya nga sessions karon, no? Ikatulo nga session. And then, nidagan na sa pila ka kay mong gidagan, no, Jis? 27, ha? Okay. 27 is about to teach us muscles here, no? Sayang, left here. So, bugtang na dayo, no? Again, no? Nakuha rin na ito is about the gasoline of the muscles, no? Mauna niya. Then, the tightness. Marelieve itong tightness niya, butangan na ito gasoline. Ano, okay na kayo. So, karon nidagan siya og almost 27 niya. Last, gahapon pa ito?
Gahapon 10K.
10K, no? No, pas-pas ka speed. Okay, karon this is about the plyometrics, no? To test the brain, nga, okay na kayo. Okay, just katong, ana-ana, no? Speed, okay. Start now. Pas-pas si gamay, Jess. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, just then double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, good. Because the interval here, just, no? Just, ano?
Hindi pas-pas na. Sige.
Okay, start now. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, just then, here, no? Stair climbing, just. Okay, here, no? So, about the last plyometrics, ni? So, just, pas-pas, no? Okay?
Yung balik na ako.
Oh, katulura. Good, that's one. Ato dito, just sukat, just, no? Okay. Anak, okay, up. Okay, 1. Do it 4 times, yeah? 2. 3. Good. That's 1. Okay, good. Okay. Good. So, po kayo, no? Again, this is third set. Third ni niya kung ano niya treatment na mo. And then we have last 2 na. Then we do it po sa yahang, not injury side, no? Para mabalance again, no? Again, just, okay kayo?
Okay kayo.
Okay, no arms, no? There are arms, no? Yung mga recommend arms, no? And then, it's about nga, to help the athlete, no? Nga sa Cebu nga, champion na ta. It's about nga, mo niya, ultramarathoner niya. Again, thank you, thank you.